Ladies and gentlemen, I once had a neighbor named Earl who thought camping meant dragging a futon into his backyard and calling it a spiritual reset. That was until I rolled up in this majestic golden nugget from the past, the 1977 GMC Jimmy High Sierra Casa Grande. Earl's futon now lives at the dump, and he's been quietly stalking vintage RV listings ever since. Now buckle up, because this isn't just a 4x4, it's a piece of American camper history. This golden and white beast is one of only 225 Casa Grande pop-top campers built between 1976 and 1977, in collaboration with Chinook Mobilodge. You heard that right. 2 model years, limited production, and a fiberglass camper top that screams 70s adventure louder than a Fleetwood Mac concert. Finished in metallic gold with orange, yellow, and white striping, this thing is basically a rolling sunset. Under the hood, a 350 cubic inch, 5.7-liter V8 pushing out 165 horsepower and 255 pound-feet of torque. That's more than enough to tow your dreams and your buddy's broken-down Volkswagen. It's paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission and a dual-range transfer case for when you need to off-road with authority. It rides on 15-inch rally wheels, wrapped in Goodyear tires, with manual locking front hubs, power-assisted front disc brakes, and rear drums. No ABS, no computers, just mechanical honesty. Power steering helps with tight campground turns, though if you're used to modern SUVs, get ready for a full upper body workout. Step inside and you're hit with the aroma of vinyl and glory. The brown and beige upholstery feels like sitting in your grandpa's El Camino, but cleaner. There's a 100-mile-per-hour speedo, gauges for everything that matters, and a 2-spoke steering wheel that's more vintage than ironic. In the back, luxury by 1977 standards. 2 fold-out canvas beds, ideal for couples or disgraced futon lovers. A dinette table that converts into an existential crisis zone during Monopoly. Bench seating, a storage closet, and yes, a kitchenette. The kitchenette includes a mini fridge, sink, and a 2-burner gas stove, so you can ruin spaghetti with style. A rear access door, sliding side windows, and a pop-up roof that'll have you standing tall even if you're over 6 feet. The odometer shows 26,448 miles, with only about 15 added by the current owner, which I assume were spent flexing on the Whole Foods parking lot. Recent refurbishments include a new alternator and fresh batteries, and it comes with a clean Florida title and a framed display board. Because this isn't just an RV, it's exhibit-worthy. Listed recently at $41,000 USD, approximately 38,000 euros, this vintage rig is both a collector's dream and a mobile punchline factory. It's the kind of thing you take to Burning Man if you want to become a legend, or to a national park if you want other campers to weep into their plastic rooftop tents.